So today I'm going to do something very simple, which is change the oil of my motorcycle. I have a 2014 Harley Davidson Sportster, Iron 83, but it does have a 1200 engine. I got it from SNS, so it's a powerful little thing. Moving on, I have my oil filter. I got it from the local dealership, and I decided to go with synthetic oil. It's supposed to be better for your engine and last longer. Oh, by the way, it's a 20W50. You can only see 3, but I have 4. You're also going to need a flathead screwdriver and an oil filter wrench. You don't need it, but it'll make your job a lot easier. And it's not that expensive, so if you have an extra buck or two, get it. It's worth it. Gloves, if you don't want to get your hands too dirty. And drain pan. Anything you have should do the trick. That's it. So let's get started.
First things first, we're going to pop the oil cap open to let some air in there. And we do this so the oil drains out nicely. As you can see here, I do not have that much oil in there because the hose clamp that I had was not tight enough, so my bike was leaking oil. Anyway, we're gonna leave it open, and now let's go to the other side.
Okay, we're on the other side, and at the bottom here, that's the hose, that's the clamp, and this is the plug. Let me zoom in so you can see it better. Okay, so we're gonna grab our flathead screwdriver and we're gonna loosen it up here, and then we're gonna take the plug out and the oil will start flowing out of the motor. Okay, that should be enough. Okay, so there was some oil in there. That's good. What we're gonna do is give it a minute and let it drain. Now let's go to the oil filter while this does its thing. The oil is still draining, but I'm gonna come to the front and start changing the filter. The longer that you wait, the less mess you're gonna have up here. You don't have to do this, but what I'm gonna do is put some paper towels at the bottom just in case some oil comes out. Be creative, you can use anything that you want. I have a pen at the bottom just in case, and I'm gonna use the oil filter wrench. Hope you can see. And then go to the left. I'm gonna zoom in for you. There we go. Oh, there are a lot of sizes for this, and mine is a W54 106. Oh, there it goes. See? Take it out. Oh. I guess I should have waited a little longer. So let's clean this mess up. Before we put the new oil filter on, we have to put the plug back in there. So clean your plug, clean the hose for any oil that dripped, and then that's it. Tighten it. Oh, I'm making it loose. I would say don't go too crazy. Just as soon as it feels tight, you can stop. That should be good. Okay, let's move on. We're gonna clean any oil that you see here. For the new one, we're gonna rub some oil around the rubber surface and put approximately 4 to 5 ounces of oil in there, just so it's not dry when we put it back in there. So let me show you. This is approximately 4 ounces. Let's open it up. Now let's put some of that oil. There we go. And now approximately 4 to 5 ounces. There you go. Okay. And a tiny bit more. There we go. Okay, so we're gonna put this back up there. Oh, by the way, they have these in chrome as well. The good news here is that you don't need this thing again. Just put it back on manually. And don't make it too tight, I would say. Just when you can't turn it anymore, stop. Okay, should be fine. And we're back up here. Now the service manual says that you need 2 quarts, and this is 1. So we're gonna put 2 of these in there. Keep these safe. It's so pretty and yellow. Okay, so we're gonna stop and close it up. Okay, that's it. I hope that video was useful. Now, when you turn your bike on, if the oil light doesn't go off, kill it and just add more oil. A quarter should do the trick, and then try again. You don't want to run your bike if the oil light is on. It will eventually ruin your engine. So if the light goes off after a few seconds, then you're good to go. You did it. Now what I'm gonna do is grab this oil, pour it into one of these, and take it to the shop. If you have any questions, let me know. Again, I hope the video was useful, and thanks for watching.